Welcome back to Tech and Code. Today we're exploring why you should consider using Embarcadero C++ Builder instead of Dev C++ for your C++ development projects. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned developer, there are several compelling reasons to make the switch. Let's dive in. First off, Embarcadero C++ Builder is packed with advanced features designed for professional development. One of its standout features is the Visual Component Library, VCL, which allows developers to create stunning user interfaces with ease. You can drag and drop components, instantly creating GUIs that are both functional and attractive. Another significant advantage is the focus on rapid application development, RAD. Embarcadero C++ Builder is built for speed and efficiency, meaning you can prototype and develop applications much faster. With built-in tools for cross-platform development, you can create applications for Windows, Mac OS, and even mobile devices, all from a single codebase. Debugging is a crucial part of the development process, and Embarcadero C++ Builder excels in this area. It offers advanced debugging tools, including live code editing, real-time variable watching, and multi-threaded debugging. This makes it easier to troubleshoot and optimize your applications, ensuring they run smoothly. One of the best things about using Embarcadero C++ Builder is the extensive documentation and active community support. Whether you're facing a technical issue or looking for best practices, you can find a wealth of resources online. The community forums are full of experienced developers who are eager to help newcomers navigate the complexities of C++ programming. Performance is key when it comes to software development, and Embarcadero C++ Builder offers excellent optimization capabilities. With its own optimized compilers, you can build applications that run efficiently, making it suitable for high-performance computing needs, such as gaming and scientific applications. In summary, using Embarcadero C++ Builder gives you access to advanced features, rapid development capabilities, robust debugging tools, and a supportive community. If you're serious about C++ development and want to create professional quality applications, it's definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Have you used Embarcadero C++ Builder, or are you thinking about making the switch? Don't forget to subscribe to Tech and Code for more tech tips and tutorials. See you next time. Happy coding!